Hi guys, we are back, and our slime is not a fail at all. It's perfect, and if your slime is like this, and it's like clumpy and it doesn't like stretch right, add some lotion. But if your slime is like a Play-Doh-ish slime or like a putty slime, I wouldn't recommend using lotion. I've done it once and messed up my slime. It wasn't good. So we are happy, nice and stretchy slime.
Yeah, I need more activator now.
Yeah, sometimes you just need to occasions put some activator. She didn't have borax, so I had to bring some of my stuff, like my glue and stuff. I'm glad I did because she didn't have any glue.
Sorry, I didn't, because I have like activator all over my hands and I had to get some.
Alright. And then, so if your friend wants to make more slime or needs more activator, if you brought a baggie of borax, you should just give them the borax. Because if you have more, yes, I gave her the rest of the borax because I have a whole thing of it at home. Borax is not like a really bad chemical. It's like just a laundry detergent.
Yeah,
but it's like grainy and stuff.
Yeah, and you know what happened? So we had these like blue dyes in our tub.
Because red and blue make purple, so we were going with purple.
So we had blue dye in our things. So then, like, at first it was purple, super purple.
Yeah, and then turned it.
But then we put them in our containers, and it turned it
blue.
And like this, it kind of looks like green.
Yeah, mine's turned blue first. So then she's like, "Oh, I want mine blue too." So I'm like, "I did it on accident. I got some in my clothes."
And then I
was gonna get mad.
And then it turned green once we needed it a lot.
Yeah, I'm like, oh my goodness. So I'm gonna show you my little sister. She doesn't like the slime. Like every time I make slime with her, hers is on the left. So every time I make slime with her, she's just like, no, I don't want to play with my slime. So this is hers. It's actually ready though.
Yeah,
it's actually pretty nice. It's like a teal color, Sophie. And her did teal color.
Yeah,
so
this needs more activator.
Yeah, mine's just starting to stick. But
I'm gonna go get some more activator.
I gave her borax, so she should be good for a long time. And plus, there's 2 cups of borax. Yeah, so that's a slime. I need a GoPro to make slime. What? I was just telling them I need a GoPro to make slime so I don't have to shut it off and stuff. So for Christmas, I hope we get
an ant.
Yes, ants this summer. They're
everywhere. They're taking over the world.
Well, they practically already have taken over the dirt and stuff. Yeah, so
it's basically their dirt.
Yeah. It's not like we need we get soil.
Yeah, it's not like we need dirt.
Well, the soil we get has food in it and stuff. Yeah, food in it and stuff like that for gardening. So that's our slime.
I love Aria's slime. It's so good.
Yeah, I like hers better.
Yeah,
wants to put her slime. She doesn't want it. I don't really like this color anymore. It's ugly.
You should have just kept it purple.
Well, mine's turned blue on accident.
Yeah. I want to make mine blue, so I did.
Do you know, if we did a prank week, I think we should do this. So I think we should make slime and get an old sheet that looks like our parents' sheet. Smear slime all over the bed sheet that they don't know and then it's not the real sheet.
Yeah.
We can just get an old one that no one uses anymore, take out the clean sheets, smear the slime over the old sheets, make lots of stains on it and stuff. It'll be awesome.
Maybe we can pour some juice from a juice box on it.
Yeah.
Or just some regular juice.
And they'd be like, Yaya, Grace, what did you do? I'm not saying my full name. It's not long, it's long, but I'm just not saying it on YouTube. Just call me Yaya, that's my real nickname.
She's not lying.
Yeah, I'm really not lying.
in Roblox, my name is SingleGirl567, and follow me.
Yes, follow me too, please.
We need to. I'm trying to remember the person who wanted a shout out.
Yeah. We didn't respond to them though. They just asked if they could have a shout out and stuff like that. So we forgot their name. I feel so bad.
Yeah, me too. We should write their name down.
Yeah, whoever follows us, we should give them a shout out. Write their name. Well, write their name down, then give them a shout out. The next time we do another YouTube video.
Whoever follows us.
Yeah.
Oh, I have that in my followers. I can get it up.
If you remembered her look, maybe.
No, I can just go to my followers.
I know. Maybe you'll remember and see her name once you get it.
Okay, I'm just gonna look it up on the computer.
Yeah, so she's just gonna look it up so we can give you a shout out this video. So hope you can because want to.
Entertain.
Yes, I'll entertain. Look at me jump on this. Look at me play with my slime. That's your entertainment. It's your entertainment. We're at Grace's house. Yes, this is the same day that we've been face reveal and stuff because I'm at her house for the whole day and she's going with me to VBS. So, yeah.
Or a PTA to be seeing them and a PTA.
Yeah.
So give the minutes to the PTA. They take their time to do it.
So,
and that's it.
Yeah.
There never needs to be 105 minutes. Yeah.
Looks like melting something, like melted frosting. So, she's just trying to find a follower so we can give her a shout out. But she probably doesn't know her channel name because we're not that famous. Like, we only have 6 subscribers. So, yeah.
I've been going through too, and I've been
I have 6 subscribers. I hear her coming back.
So there was actually 2 of them.
Okay, I think it's Uri something.
No, it's Erie.
Yeah.
So it's Erie and then a couple numbers after, and then
so,
Amanda April.
So shout out to Erie. We'll just call you Erie. Shout out. Shout out to Erie
and Amanda April.
Yes. So shout out to Erie and Amanda April. Thank you for following us.
Yeah. I have like 22 followers.
I don't know.
I could give out shout outs to every one of them, but none of them wanted a shout out except Erie and Amanda April.
So shout out to Erie and Amanda April who you like I cannot talk today. Hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Turn on notifications and comment down below. If you subscribe, you can turn on notifications and get new videos and see our videos get better and better so you can subscribe. Yeah.
And if you ask for a shout out, we will try to give you a shout out.
Mm-hmm.
But
sometimes we just don't have time.
And sometimes there's so many of them that we can't keep track. Well, we've only got 2 so
yeah.
far.
We're not that big YouTubers. Like we're pretty down low.
Yeah.
Cause we just started. Like she's had a YouTube channel
I've started a year ago, but then for the whole year, half of the
she
year,
wasn't making YouTube videos. So this channel is not about me. It's her channel, Grace Hayes. Yes, I'm just her friend.
You're a special celebrity guest.
Oh, thank you.
Dun, 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 dun.
And I'll probably be doing other videos with her. Maybe when I get a YouTube channel. That's probably in a couple of years.
Yeah.
I said that I will eventually get one. Maybe we can make our own channel starring both of us. Because sometimes she does videos without me. That's fine.
Yeah, but
So,
videos, not in Roblox, but...
Yeah, at her house, just like baby Max walking. Those kind of
Yeah.
yeah.
He was so cute. How could I not post it?
Babies walking. That's funny.
And my friend Bella, who was doing the video, insisted we do a YouTube video and post on YouTube about Max. So it's like Max again. Like one title was like Baby Max again.
So we are going to make a title for this video in our other video so you guys can see it.
It's gonna be called
Dun,
Slime.
dun, dun. No, we don't. We're not telling you until you watch the YouTube video.
Because it's gonna be called The Slime of America.
No, but she's not. We're not calling it that. She's just kidding. Because we're not telling you until you watch the video. Well, if you watch the video, you're going to know the name because it's on the front page. So please go ahead and watch this video.
Yeah.
Well, you're actually
The
watching
Slime
it.
of America.
Well, you're actually watching it right now because you see us talking.
yeah.
So you practically are. So if you see this video, thank you for watching.
And like and subscribe
And comment.
and
No, this is what other YouTubers say. Smash that like button.
yeah. And we'll see you in the next video. And if you have a P.O. box, you can put it down there and we might mail you some slime.
Baby.
Yeah.
We have a special
Good.
recipe that we already showed you, so I think that was a bad idea showing them. So then they'll just make the slime themselves. Well, we'll mail you slime that we touch, so it'll be special. Because we touch the slime that we make. So
But
we'll
we're
mail you
not
some
sick,
special-
don't worry.
we're not sick.
use latex gloves when we're doing it for you.
Yeah, we'll use some gloves. Even though it's just going to stick to the gloves and you're only going to have a little slime, so maybe not.
Yeah, maybe we'll just wash our hands. And
That's gone.
But if you don't have a P.O. box, don't put your address, because that's dangerous.
Not that we're going to do that. 'Cause we're
Yeah,
only
but-
kids.
Yeah, but like if other people see the comments.
Yeah.
But like if you have a P.O. box, we can mail it to you, but not if you actually have a mailbox.
And maybe you can just like private message us and tell you the address. Not a public
Yeah.
comment.
Yeah.
So we can tell you some, give you some slime, and maybe delete that message so we don't memorize it. And then we'll be like, well, not that we're gonna do it,
Yeah.
but like,
We would never do that.
especially since we're kids, we can't. There's no way. We're not like a super high tech kid.
Yeah.
We're average kid. Even though we get A's in school, some kids get C's and B's.
And some kids get F's. They flunk school and they have to use summer school.
Yeah, so we're just some average girls from 4th grade. So, yeah. We already said the like, subscribe, and commenting. So, I guess bye.
Bye.
Peace out.